Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of automobiles. You may know the brands, but do you know the secrets behind them? Here are some unknown facts about famous automobile companies that will surprise you. Let's start with Ford. Did you know that Henry Ford didn't invent the car or the assembly line? Instead, he revolutionized the assembly line process to make cars affordable for the average person. Ford's Model T, introduced in 1908, was the first car to be mass-produced, making it accessible to a broader audience. The innovative moving assembly line cut production time drastically, allowing Ford to reduce costs and pass the savings on to customers. This approach not only changed the automotive industry, but also set the standard for manufacturing processes worldwide. Next up, Mercedes-Benz. The company's name comes from a combination of the first name of the financier's daughter, Mercedes Jelinek, and the surname of Carl Benz, the inventor of the first true car powered by an internal combustion engine. The famous three-pointed star logo represents the company's ambition to dominate the land, sea, and air. Mercedes-Benz has a long history of innovation, including the creation of the first automobile and numerous safety features such as the crumple zone and airbags. BMW, known for luxury and performance, started as an aircraft engine manufacturer. Their logo, often thought to represent a spinning propeller, is actually derived from the Bavarian flag's colors. After World War II, BMW was banned from making cars and motorcycles for 3 years due to their role in the war effort. During this time, they produced kitchen utensils and bicycles. It wasn't until 1952 that BMW returned to automobile production, eventually becoming a leader in high-performance vehicles. Audi. Audi's four rings logo symbolizes the 1932 merger of four automobile manufacturers, Audi, DKW, Horch, and Wanderer. This merger formed the Auto Union, which eventually became Audi. Each ring represents one of these founding companies. Audi has a rich history of engineering excellence and innovation, including the development of quattro all-wheel drive technology, which revolutionized rally racing and passenger cars alike. Ferrari, synonymous with speed and luxury, has an interesting origin. Enzo Ferrari, the founder, initially built cars for Alfa Romeo. The prancing horse logo was originally a symbol used by Italian WWI fighter ace Francesco Baracca, which Enzo adopted as a tribute. Ferrari's dedication to racing and performance has made it one of the most iconic brands in the world, with a storied history in Formula One and a reputation for building some of the most desirable cars ever made. Toyota, now a giant in the auto industry, started as a textile company. Sakichi Toyoda, the founder, invented an automatic loom, which funded his son Kiichiro Toyoda's automobile venture. The company's famous production system focuses on lean manufacturing and efficiency, known as the Toyota Production System, TPS. This approach emphasizes continuous improvement and waste reduction, principles that have been adopted by industries worldwide. Volkswagen, which means people's car in German, was created by the German Labor Front in 1937. The Beetle, designed by Ferdinand Porsche, became one of the best-selling cars of all time. Volkswagen's reach extends far beyond the Beetle. The company owns several other major automotive brands, including Audi, Bentley, Bugatti, Lamborghini, Porsche, and Ducati. This diverse portfolio has helped Volkswagen become one of the largest automakers in the world. Tesla, a pioneer in electric vehicles, was founded by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Elon Musk joined later as a major investor and chairman, eventually becoming CEO. Tesla's name pays homage to inventor Nikola Tesla, and the company's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Tesla has pushed the boundaries of electric vehicle technology with innovations like the autopilot driver assistance system and cutting-edge battery technology. Lamborghini, known for its luxurious and high-performance sports cars, was founded by Ferruccio Lamborghini, a successful tractor manufacturer. He decided to build his own cars after a disagreement with Enzo Ferrari about the quality of Ferrari cars. Lamborghini's bold designs and powerful engines quickly earned a reputation for excellence, with models like the Miura, Countach, and Aventador becoming automotive legends. Honda, Finally, Honda, which started as a motorcycle company, is now one of the world's largest automobile manufacturers. Soichiro Honda, the founder, was passionate about engineering and focused on creating affordable and reliable transportation for the masses. Honda's commitment to innovation is evident in their diverse range of products, from motorcycles and cars to power equipment and aircraft. Their reputation for reliability and quality has made Honda a household name worldwide. Subaru, famous for its rugged all-wheel drive vehicles, has a logo that represents the Pleiades star cluster. In Japanese, Subaru means unite or gather together. The 6 stars in the logo symbolize the merger of 6 companies to form Fuji Heavy Industries, Subaru's parent company. Subaru's commitment to safety and innovation has led to groundbreaking technologies like the symmetrical all-wheel drive system and the EyeSight driver assist technology. Their vehicles are popular among adventure enthusiasts for their reliability and performance in harsh conditions. Rolls-Royce, the epitome of luxury and elegance, has a history steeped in craftsmanship and precision. Did you know that each Rolls-Royce car is handmade, taking over 400 hours to complete? The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament has an intriguing backstory, inspired by a secret love affair between a car dealer and a model. Rolls-Royce's commitment to perfection extends to their bespoke services, allowing customers to personalize every detail of their vehicle, from the color of the paint to the stitching on the seats. Peugeot, one of the oldest car manufacturers in the world, started as a family business making coffee mills and bicycles. The lion in the Peugeot logo symbolizes strength and agility, attributes that the company has strived to embody in their vehicles. During World War I, Peugeot produced military vehicles, and in World War II, they even made parts for the resistance movement. Today, Peugeot is known for its stylish design, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to sustainability, with a growing range of electric and hybrid vehicles. Aston Martin, synonymous with British elegance and James Bond, has a fascinating origin. The company was founded by Lionel Martin and Robert Bamford, and the name comes from Martin's success at the Aston Hill climb race. Aston Martin's association with James Bond began in 1964 with the iconic DB5 in Goldfinger. The brand's dedication to blending performance with luxury has led to the creation of some of the most beautiful and powerful sports cars in the world, making it a favorite among car enthusiasts and secret agents alike. Jeep, the brand that epitomizes off-road adventure, has a history rooted in military heritage. The original Jeep was designed during World War II to meet the U.S. Army's need for a light, all-terrain reconnaissance vehicle. Its ruggedness and versatility earned it the nickname the GI's best friend. After the war, Jeep transitioned to civilian use, becoming a symbol of freedom and adventure. Today, Jeep's lineup includes a range of off-road ready vehicles, each built to conquer the toughest terrains while maintaining a connection to its legendary past. Nissan, a major player in the automotive world, has a rich history that includes the iconic Datsun brand. Originally called Kwaishinsha Motor Car Works, the company was renamed Nissan in the 1930s. The Datsun name was phased out in the 1980s, but made a comeback in 2013 for emerging markets. Nissan has a strong focus on innovation, leading the way in electric vehicles with the popular Nissan Leaf, one of the best-selling electric cars worldwide. Nissan's commitment to sustainability and cutting-edge technology continues to shape the future of the automotive industry. Volvo, synonymous with safety, has pioneered numerous automotive safety innovations. The company was founded in Sweden in 1927 and has since been at the forefront of safety technology. Volvo introduced the 3-point seatbelt in 1959, a design that has saved countless lives and is now standard in all cars. They also developed side impact protection systems and advanced driver assistance technologies. Volvo's vision for the future includes making their cars so safe that no one will be seriously injured or killed in a new Volvo by 2025. Land Rover, a brand renowned for its off-road prowess, has its roots in post-World War II Britain. The first Land Rover was inspired by the American Jeep and built using surplus war materials. Over the years, Land Rover has become a symbol of luxury and adventure, capable of conquering the toughest terrains. The brand's commitment to exploration is evident in its support of various expeditions and environmental projects around the world. Land Rover vehicles combine rugged durability with sophisticated design, making them a favorite among adventurers and luxury car enthusiasts alike. Mitsubishi, Mitsubishi, a diversified global conglomerate, began its journey in the shipping industry in the late 1800s. The company ventured into automobile manufacturing in the early 20th century. Mitsubishi's logo, the three diamonds, represents the company's three founding principles: responsibility to society, integrity and fairness, and global understanding through business. Known for their rugged SUVs and performance cars like the Lancer Evolution, Mitsubishi has also made significant strides in electric and hybrid technology, with models like the Outlander PHEV leading the charge in sustainable transportation. Hyundai, a South Korean powerhouse, has rapidly ascended to become one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the world. Founded in 1967, Hyundai started by assembling Ford Cortina models before launching its own car, the Pony, in 1975. The company's name, Hyundai, means modernity in Korean, reflecting its forward-thinking approach. Hyundai is known for its emphasis on quality, affordability, and innovation. The company has made significant investments in hydrogen fuel cell technology and electric vehicles, with models like the Nexo and the Kona Electric showcasing Hyundai's commitment to a sustainable future. Thanks for joining us on this extended journey through the hidden history of famous automobile companies. From Nissan's electric ambitions to Hyundai's rapid rise, each brand has its own unique story that adds to the rich tapestry of automotive history. If you enjoyed these fascinating facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. See you next time.